pack into the microwave. This is an LG microwave. I'm setting it at 3 minutes. This is a 44 Autocook menu with convention technology. And as you see, this packet has to be kept in whole, and if the popcorn starts cooking inside this packet, you will hear popping sound. Until then, I'm going to keep this on. This is ACTII popcorn and directly can be put into the microwave, as you can see in this leaflet. So I'm just following the instructions. As you can see, the popcorn has started popping inside, but give it some more time. You may want to pause it, check for it and shake it a bit. Be careful that it doesn't burn your hand, and start again. As you can see, the popcorn is still cooking inside. I'm going to check again. So here I have completed the 3 minutes cooking and I've kept it in waiting stage, and give it around 2 minutes for the microwave to cool in, and then remove the popcorn packet. I have emptied the popcorn, now the cooked popcorn, into a container, and it's ready to eat. Thank you for watching.